because it's very sticky. I don't really use it often because it's really messy if you're using it. Hi, kamusta? For today's video, we are going to try another product, and I'm actually very excited about this because it's something that is for my face. Let's see if this one will actually work. When you receive it from the mail, it looks like this. Let's open it up. Oh, there you go. It is the Magic Eyeliner and Eyelashes Kit. It says that it's natural looking, long lasting, smudge proof, and convenient. Let's see. There, I did it. Oh, okay. So it comes with a tweezer. Oopsie. Oops. It comes with the applicator. And we have here the eyeliner itself. It goes to your eyelids and the lashes will just stick into it. That's how this one works. I'm not sure if this is black. Oh, it's so complicated. It doesn't include instruction. Oh, there's actually one here. So there's an instruction here. Gently shake the eyeliner before use. Shake. Shake. Let me shake this one first. 2 is press the button at the tip of the pen. So I guess like this. I guess that's it. And then press the button as far as it can go. It's just the same as number 2. Wait for 10 minutes and then open the lid. 10 minutes? That's a lot of waiting. Alright, let's wait for 10 minutes. And we can open this one. Why am I shaking this? Am I supposed to be shaking it again? Maybe not. Let me just put this in here for now while waiting. There are actually 5 different kinds of false lashes in this pack. So from thinnest to the thickest lashes. From simple to the glam look. I wonder what we can use for today's video. So I think the 4th one is so much better for our eye look today. So I'm gonna go with the 4th one. It's not been 10 minutes. We still need to wait for 10 minutes. So while waiting, we're actually gonna try to trim this one. Maybe this one is too long, so we're gonna try this in our eyelids. We'll be able to decide if we need to cut it or not. Oh, look at that. It turns black. Did you see that? It turns black. I'm excited to try this. Oops. Is it already broken? What's going on here? Did I break it? I did not break it. Oh, I just probably twisted the wrong way. Alright, gotta be careful with that. There. Cool. We're back now. And let's see. I think we can try this one now. I actually don't need to cut this one. It fits perfectly in my eyelids. Cool. It's easier if I just use my fingers instead of the applicator. Now let's see. Dang, that was easy. I used to be having a hard time every time I put my false eyelashes. That's why I don't really use false eyelashes often, because it's really hard, especially the glue. It's so messy and it's so sticky, so I don't want to deal with those. This is like the traditional false lashes glue. This one, when you're using this, it's really easy. It's really cool. This is the first time that I tried using a glue pen, and it works. Nice. That is legit right there. That's really nice. I'm not sure if you can see it. We did it without even sweating, without even doing a mess right now. Before, when I was using this one, I always needed to have wet tissue because it's very sticky, because I needed to do it like that. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to putting the applicator, but this one is so much easier. This one is so much easier. You gotta try this. And you know what? The good thing is this. So how can I describe this one? So I can say that you can actually reuse it maybe 4 to 5 times or more. Yeah, if you just know how to take care of it. You know what? I actually have a false lashes kit I'm gonna show you, and it's not like this. Like, for example, they say that they have 5 different kinds of false lashes, but they actually don't have. I'm gonna show you that. Wait, let me find that. All my false lashes are here. You can see that. I don't even use it. I don't really use it often because it's really messy if you're using this traditional false lashes glue. That's why I just stuck in there. So I'm actually going to give you an example, just like this one. So this one has 5 false lashes in one pack. It's all the same. This one is actually a magnetic eyeliner, but the applicator is also like, it's the same as the traditional applicator. It's a brush type. See, the applicator is like this. It's just the traditional glue. I didn't use it. It just don't work. Maybe this one is the only different one and the one that I tried, but all of them are the same. This one is, you really have a choice. If you want to be a simple or just like a natural looking false lashes, you can choose this one. If you want to be glam, there's a party, you can choose either this one or this one. So yeah, you have a choice. You have a choice, which is really nice, right? I like that too. This is the selling point of this product. The eyeliner glue. Eyeliner slash glue. When you don't know how to put eyeliner, that's gonna be a challenging part. As long as you already master how to put eyeliner, this is gonna be like best friend. And you don't have to put eyeliner and then another eyelashes glue, and it's just so messy, and it also saves time when you just use this at once. And I think if you don't want an eyeliner, I think they have also a clear one. I need to double check that on their site. But it would be nice if they have a clear one, right? Because sometimes we just don't want eyeliner on our eyelids because we just want to have a natural looking look. That would be nice if they have a clear one. I'm gonna put the details below. I think that's all. If you were to try this product, let me know what you think about this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, disclaimer guys, that this product is not sponsored, but they actually sent this one for free. So you can guarantee that I'm not being biased in this video. I'm just telling you what I think about this product and my honest opinion about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell if you want to be updated on my next video. Bye. Bye. Oh, dirty.